ACCT, the Act on Climate Change Today, and Climate Change Network-CLICNET, in collaboration with the Sierra Leone Agroecology Partners, Environment Protection Agency, Trocaire and CAFOD, concluded 2 days of training and consultation on the nationally determined contributions regarding food systems and agroecology. Head of the ACT Coalition Green Scenery Executive Director Joseph Rahal reflected that amidst the national priority for food security, the existence of 730,000 farming households in Sierra Leone underscores the geographic and economic significance of agroecology. CLICNET Executive Secretary Peter Senesi told the 50 representatives from NGOs, farmer groups, youth organizations, persons with disabilities, women's groups, faith-based organizations, and academia to critically review the key mitigation and adaptation commitments and strategies outlined in past NDCs to enhance their knowledge on the NDC process. Many gaps were identified for inclusion in the NDC 3.0, including the need to improve financing for climate change loss and damages, technology transfer, climate change policy integration, and the inclusion of the marginalized groups who were represented by the workshop participants. There was virtually a unanimous approval of the inclusive process undertaken to have the final communique included in the NDC 3.0. Director of the EPA, Dr. Abubakar Masakoi, said the NDC was a technical document, a moral declaration, and a diplomatic tool for bilateral cooperation and tactical engagement for the next 5 years to address climate vulnerability and climate justice. He was one of those who supported the collective effort.
It's about climate change, ladies and gentlemen. It's about something we all have a fair sense of, something whose impacts we can all tell stories about, not so. So making this gathering particularly important.
Sustainable Development Goal 17 calls for the encouraging and promoting effective public-private partnerships and civil society partnerships, building on experience and resourcing strategies.